Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today we're here with Fredo. Fredo, Flowers and TheSnow. Don't know what to expect, but I'm gonna react. Alright? I'm going to react right now. How is everyone doing anyway? Hope everyone is doing a fine. I hope everyone's having a fine week. But we're gonna react. Better late than never, right? So let's go. It's a movie.
Yeah, by the hours it will go. We got loud and we got powder, call it flowers and the snow. If he ain't a gang, I won't allow him to my show. I just got a new shooter and I found him in the zones, yeah.
If he's not in my gang, I won't allow him to my show. So basically, this show is not for everybody. This show I feel in true G them and they round him. You understand? If I put on a show of him true G them, not just any member of the public. So you have to be on that level to be at what I'm showing them. At the show.
By the hours it will go. We got loud and we got powder, call it flowers and the snow. If he ain't a gang, I won't allow him to my show. I just got a new shooter and I found him in the zones, yeah. My rich bitch won't let me pay all the time. Why she moving like Nigel? She got way too much pride.
A rich bitch won't let me pay all the time. But the reason why I bring back the video, I want to see the rich bitch again.
In the gang, I won't allow him to my show. I just got a new shooter and I found him in the zones, yeah. My rich bitch won't let me pay all the time. Why she move?
Yeah, look good.
Moving like Nigel, she got way too much pride. I've been hitting rappers, baby mothers way too much times. Yo, they hate how I got money, but won't pay them no mind.
So he's been hitting rappers, baby mother. Fredo, call him. Which rapper? Guys, leave it in the comment section. Which rapper, baby mother, Fredo, it come in and know. Which rapper, baby mother, Fredo, do the dirty with. Me want know that. Me nosy. Yeah, me nosy, me fast. Which rapper baby mother him deal it so?
Hitting rappers, baby mothers way too much times. Yo, they hate how I got money, but won't pay them no mind. No. Yo, it's flowers in the snow, or snow in the flowers. By the hours it will go, or it can go in an hour. One time I try and hit a lick, he wouldn't show me the powder. Till I took it off my hip, and I showed him the power.
You have to make them know sometime, Fredo. You have to pop off and show them, say, yo, me serious like a heart attack. Me serious like a judge in a court about to sentence to life. Me serious, brother. Show me the thing. The things I laugh, me come myself a laugh and look up in your dirty face when I watch from morning. Show me the thing.
No, I can't hear you cause the weed I'm smoking is louder. Yeah, I'm always in the garden, never growing a flower.
Me like the flower room. I just beer weed. Me like it. Yeah, me like it.
You can catch me in the kitchen mixing Yola with flour. Yo, it's sweet how we're living. Now the orders are sour. Yeah, we came a long way from stolen pets. I just took a Don's Bay. Now I'm getting stolen heads. 100,000 for the silver and gold protect. One of you tired niggas go try it and you'll go to bed. You can catch me speed. Bro just hit a U up, he's a demon with the beater. Now they're trying to swap it for the Nina with the Nina. When it comes to rapping, no there isn't any realer. I'm PG for life. Yeah, by the hours it will go. We got loud and we got powder, call it flowers and the snow. If he ain't a gang, I won't allow him to my show. I just got a new shooter and I found him in the zones, yeah. My rich bitch won't let me pay all the time. Why she moving like nines, yo, she got way too much pride. I've been hitting rappers, baby mothers way too much times. Yo, they hate how I got money, but won't pay them no mind, nah. And don't up and think, cause I made a couple hits that I ain't outside with all my members and my younger niggas. Every girl sucking dick, colder than a fucking fridge.
Man, I tell you, say, not because we make a couple of hits. Don't believe that me change. Don't believe that I'm not outside with my younger G's them. Don't think that me gonna corporate like some of these rappers. I'm not corporate. I'm in the streets. You can still see me on the block. That's what the boss I say. Not me. Yeah.
Put 750 on that raw 9 and touch the brick. Now if I do a O2 4 times, I'll touch a mil. Yo, I can't lie, the way I'm living is strange. Forget my knife, then I'll be spinning the range. I don't care if I'm 40 minutes away. We used to stack change like a bill in a day. Put it in the shoebox, yeah, that's the criminal safe. All my women must just listen to it.
Criminal safe is the shoebox with Cho. The criminal safe are the shoebox. Yes, criminal safe are the shoebox and under the bed for Cho.
They wanna give me a tape. First place and the feeling is great. Only time that I'm the runner-up is when I send my runner-up. My block.
Only time when I'm the runner-up is when me send my runner-up. Him send a shooter, come run up on you, knock it. That you mean, right? Explain.
Door was broken and my buzzer fucked. And if you're from the trenches, then you know just how I'm coming up. It's easy for the feds and the man them to be running up. My friends alone, my money's up. My chains are out, my gun is tucked. Yeah, by the hours, it will go. We got loud and we got powder, call it flowers and the snow. If he ain't a gang, I won't allow him to my show. I just got a new shooter and I found him in the zones, yeah. My rich bitch won't let me pay all the time. Why she moving like nines, yo, she got way too much pride. I've been hitting rappers, baby mothers way too much times. Yo, they hate how I got money, but won't pay them no mind, nah.
Solid. 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 Yo, solid. Solid. Fredo, you never fail to disappoint. You never disappoint, brother. You never fail to amuse, brother. You see me? You never fail to amuse, brother. You just set the standards for yourself up so where people where you have to follow, and if you don't follow it, people will notice that, Fredo. You see me? So you do your thing with J. Video clean as always, girl them clean. If your flow clean, rhythm bad, the lyrics clean. I like the whole concept of the snow room and the weed room. You know, I like the girl in the video them at me never see them girl in a real life yet. I don't want to see them. I'm not even on postcard. I see those girls. I don't want to see one of them. But when I say to you, J, production level. Hi, big up the production team behind this one. Fredo, big up yourself, J. You see me? Until next time, guys. You know your boys out. Outside.